Hello guys, and thank you for clicking on the video. So this is a little snippet of our trip to California. We went to one of the top ramen places. This is my first time trying like real ramen. And I just wanted to take you guys along with us on this journey. So the name of the restaurant is, I believe it's pronounced Tatsu Ramen. So we drove from Vegas to California. In between the two states, we were able to stop at the 7 Magic Mountains located in Vegas. So that was really cool. They still had it up in the middle of COVID. So here I'm just showing you guys like kind of what their menu was like. So basically you just walk up to, they have like a couple of screens when you first walk in, and you're able to just order everything you want. So we just got 2 bowls of their, I believe we had the spicy ramen. And here is the ramen. Guys, when I tell you this is like the best ramen ever, I've never really had like authentic ramen. So this was it for me. Like, we had green onions, we had garlic, the noodles, of course, and you had meat, your meat of choice. You could get beef or pork, and we got it with like a little spice. So yeah, we got the bold ramen bowl, and it was really, really good. Just want to give you like a little snippet of what it was like. So I got a big old glob of noodles, and of course dipped it in a little bit of the sauce. That first bite, oh my gosh, oh my goodness, my mouth is watering like looking at it because it's so delicious. Like, I will go back to California just for the ramen. Like, you can take away everything else that we did on the trip, but the ramen, I would eat that breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Like, that's how good it was. I wouldn't lie to you. They had a little sesame seed, so if you're allergic to anything, you can always ask them to take it out, and they're like super duper nice. So here you can see, of course, my husband, I think he had the same thing. He ate his way faster than I did. It was a big roll. Like, you get a nice size portion, so you won't be like super hungry afterwards. Maybe like a little dessert. Again, I'm just zooming in on what we were working with within this bowl. It was a little spicy, but I did like it like that. I like spicy stuff, so that was a good option for me. I did chase it with cola. Let me say that, Coca-Cola, for a little kick, and I think that made it like super duper spicy. But yeah, if you're ever in California, please check out this place. It's really delicious, and I just want to give my 2 cents on it. Thank you for watching, and subscribe and like. Peace.